How have your views about forestry changed?
Well, before I came to this particular conference, I saw the forest as just something to look at in beauty. But now I realize that it's an agricultural crop that grows in Georgia. It provides jobs, but more importantly, by sustaining our forests, will help our land and for our future.
And what's your greatest takeaway from the workshop?
The fact that we have so many private owners of trees and forests in our state, and the fact how they manage them, as well as the companies that work together with them to provide forests that will continue for years to come.
And how will the Teachers Conservation Workshop impact your teaching?
Well, I'm actually thinking of this really cool idea of providing my students with all the native animals and trees of Georgia as a whole focus for my whole year, and taking that and then concentrating each of the lessons I've learned in Project Wild, Project Wet, and the literacy learning. That will be a combination of intertwining that through my AKS this next year and having the children really become and live what I've learned this week.
And if you could say one thing to our sponsors, what would you say?
Oh my gosh, I would say thank you, thank you, thank you. This has been such a gift for me because I have learned so much about this state and about how people care about our environment and about how you have been able to provide us with this learning, and that I can carry it on to hundreds or thousands of children in the years I have to come to teach. Thank you.